Hello guys, this is day 13 and I start my day. I bought new thing like you already know. Yesterday I unboxing my new phone and today I bought a new thing. Actually, it's a accessory part of this mobile phone, which is much needed for me because like I have two kids, but my little one is very naughty, so I need that accessory. So I will show you that and we will try to speak on that little bit. So it's a win for the both word, like I do my practice as well as I show you one new thing which I just going to unboxing. Okay, so let's see what we have today. All right, let's go to the box. Okay, so this is new thing which I ordered. So let me show you first my previous phone. So this was my previous phone which I used almost for 18 or 20 months. Unfortunately, it's dead, and you can see it's like in new condition. Like there is no dent, like perfectly like perfect, looking very perfect. But unfortunately, it's not started. It's dead. So let's see what we'll do for this. But yeah, please, please beta, unbox this. First cut very carefully. This is I ordered from Flipkart because Motorola phone ordered from Flipkart very easily, and you might heard some noise from the background of my little one. Okay, around say be careful. So it is a, let's open it. Center में लाओ यहाँ पर आराम से. Just cut it. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so guys, now we have the cover, and I know some of you might think कि इतना क्यों show off करना. It's not showing up. I'm just trying to make video on daily basis, and yeah, welcome my little one. So yeah, so you can see I ordered a flap cover because intentionally I ordered this because like my little one is usually throw the phone, so I need something which protect from like which has maximum protection. So I feel this is the one of the best option to protect my phone. So I ordered this, and for this phone I use the transparent rubber one cover. Although like my son throw phone maybe दिन में एक दो बारी or maybe 2 दिन में एक बारी, तो it's easily throw phone. So hope like when we bought some new things, so we don't give our phone or something to our children, but after some days we can't stop them to use. So yeah, for now, and along with that I have bought 2-year warranty also. So let's see how it works in mobile phone. So yeah, so this is about like this is end of this video. So yeah, I'm very happy to using this phone, and this video also made by the new phone of the back camera. Please tell me about the quality also if you feel any difference, because it's a 13 day of my blog. So yeah guys, I think that's enough for today. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye bye.
Bye bye, friends.
Bye bye.